Hello there. So in this video we are going to be solving or simplifying the given equation. Now let's say that we're given that p is equal to 4 to the power x plus 3 plus 4 to the power x, all divided by 8 to the power x plus 2 plus 8 to the power x. Now we are supposed to simplify p. Now how do we simplify p? The first thing we'll do is that we'll look at the right hand side. That is the right hand side. Now, the first thing we'll do is that we'll look at the numerator on the right hand side, and with the numerator, what we're going to do is that we're going to look for the common factor there, and we're going to factorize the numerator. And you can see there that you can do the same thing with the denominator. We can look for the like term, and we can factorize that out of that, and then we'll have our 8 to the x outside of the bracket, and then we'll have the 4 to the power x outside of the bracket, and in the brackets you will have what we call a whole number. So let's do that. Now you can already tell that these brackets are going to cancel each other since they're exactly the same. So we'll have 4 to the x divided by 8 to the x. So these just cancel off. Now with 4 to the x divided by 8 to the x, can we simplify this further? Now we can say that this is 2 to the x times 2 to the x. Divided by 4 to the x times 2 to the x. And so we'll have that this is going to cancel that off. So we'll have 2 to the x divided by 4 to the x. And we can further say that this 4 to the x is made out of 2 to the x times 2 to the x. And these can cancel off again. They cancel off, we'll have 1 divided by 2 to the x. And that is the final answer for that question. So we'll have 1 divided by 2 to the power x. So that is how you simplify p. So we'll say that p is equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power x. We are given that p is equal to 3 and we are supposed to find the value of x. Now let's go back to our simplified version of p. So we'll say that p is equal to 1 divided by 2 to the x. Then we'll substitute the 3 that we're now given. So we'll say that 3 is equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power x. And then we'll make 2 to the power x the subject of the formula. So that means we'll multiply this side by 2 to the power x and multiply that side by 2 to the power x. And so we'll have that 3 times 2 to the power x is equal to 1. Since 2 to the power x divided by 2 to the power x is going to be equal to 1. And so we'll have that 2 to the power x is equal to 1 divided by 3. So now we'll look for the value of x. Now let's keep in mind that x is an exponent here. So how do we find the exponent given this situation? We'll just say that x is equal to the logarithm of 1 over 3 using base 2. Right? And so this is going to be the value of x. You just plug that in your calculator and you'll find the answer for that question. So using a calculator, we'll have that x is equal to minus 1.5 5, 8. That is rounded off to 2 decimal places.